Today we are sharing a long-term analysis of Vedanta and we will discuss why it is falling. So watch this video till end. 9 months ago we had shared our analysis of Vedanta in which we had discussed that Vedanta can fall anytime. The stock was trading at a price of 407 and there was a divergence in the weekly chart. So from this level Vedanta had a big fall and it went to 200. And we had discussed that for every fast move down, if we get a corrective structure, another fall can be coming. And this was also shared 8 months ago when we had discussed that now some pullback can come and try to exit in that pullback. And after this pullback, you can again get one move down. And you can see the snapshot shared in which we expected a corrective move up and then another fall, and from this level you can see 200 to 340 levels Vedanta went, but this was a corrective move. And now if you go to the daily chart, this move also, if you bisect this move, this was like impulse, correction, another impulse. Between these two impulses you can see there is a divergence, so we expected a fall from this level. Now if you draw this trend line, you can see impulse, correction, impulse. So this move was expected, and also this was predicted 8 months ago. So what can be the possible move now? Now if you are a long-term investor of this, and best is that this can fall below this level also. So it can again come and break this level also. And now there is no investment as of now. We should not do any investment in this unless and until we get any positive impulse to the upside like this, and whether that impulse can come below this level or this is just a corrective structure. We get a corrective structure for fall for one more move up, which means we will get a bigger correction in this and then fall. So best possibility if this quickly falls below this, and then we can look for the up move. If it goes above this, then it means it is a bigger correction and then we have to wait more. But as of now there is no investment or no, we should not look for this. And if you closely let me clear this. If you follow simple higher high structures on a 1 hour chart, you can see this was a trailing stop, and once this was hit, you can see there was a big fall after this, and today it has fallen more than 6%, but actually the higher low structure was broken on 2nd Feb itself. So for capturing this moment you have to be part after, I mean you have to be part of this, then only you can capture this moment. I hope this is clear now, and if any comments please pose them as a, and if you have any doubts please pose them as comments, and if this delivers value please consider subscribing and like. Thank you.